Hello everyone, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I am going to demonstrate what is select into and insert into select in SQL Server database. So it might be this is a very small topic, but if we are talking about the project level requirement, the impact is huge. Suppose if you got any requirement in your current project, you want to copy data from one table to another table. So in this case, we can use insert into select statement. And also if we're talking about select into, this is also the same case if you want to copy data from one table to another. But there is some difference. So I'm going to show you in the Microsoft which Visual SQL Server Visual Studio. So let's flip to the SQL Server Studio and demonstrate to the same topic. So here we can see that I have two table, right? One is from customer table and one is from old customer 2023 table, right? So I just execute the query and here you can see that. So the requirement is I want to copy data from customer table to old customer 2023, right, tables. So we have two table. One table we have a data customer data and one table is empty. So the basic the requirement of the insert into a select statement is if you have some existing table, like in this scenario you can see that we have two tables, customer and old customer. Both table are exist in our database orbit of the coding, right? So in this scenario we can use insert into select statement. And the basic requirement, this is the source table and the old customer, this is the target table. So the data types in the source and target table should be matched. And the one thing, like if if you want to copy like and target table must be exist in the current database. In this scenario, we can use insert into select statement. Let's I sort into two statement. Suppose if you get a requirement and you want to copy data from one table to another table. So the condition is like source and target table both are exist in the same database and data types are same. So in this scenario, you can use insert into select statement. So I am going to create a query and show you how it will work. Insert into old customer and select star from customers. Right. So I'm going to execute this query. Here you can see the three row affected. Now you can see that data is copied from source table to target tables. And if we're talking about select into a statement, so what happens select into a statement? Uh, let's show you. So select into a statement is copy data from one table and insert into the new table. So in select into a statement, there is not mandatory to target table should exist in our current data table, current database, right? So this is the big difference. So in the insert into a statement, we have like target table should be exist and data type should be same. But if we use uh, select into statement, then there is no mandatory target table should be exist in our database. So I am going to use select into statements. Select star into, suppose I want to backup customer table, all right, and form where form once again form customer, right. So now I'm going to execute the query. So here you can see that three rows are affected, and this is the totally new table that is not exist in our current database. I'm going to show you this new table is created and three rows are inserted into the new tables. Here you can see that, right? And also one more huge like a select into a statement, right? So like if if you want to create some data sets, and if we use in the like some temporary tables, some temporary data sets, so in this case select into statement are used, and insert into statement like if you want to copy data and the table structure as same, in this case you can use insert into a statement. So that's it from this video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. And if you have any query and doubts, please put it in into the comment box and I will try to resolve it. So thank you. Have a nice day.